let's start with the basics muna para hindi ma-intimidate yung iba, no? Kasi baka mamaya sabihin nila, may intermediate na sinasabi, ganito, ganyan. Well, when you say website kasi, it is something that the business owners wanted to have para mapadali yung process ng business nila. So, why do we need to establish their website? It's because, yun nga, sinabi nga ni Coach Cristel, is you need to apply yung mga functionality that would actually lead or have or generate yung sales nila, and at the same time yung buong process ng kailangan nila sa website. So another skill siguro for intermediate, I can say that would be yung e-commerce, for example. Yung e-commerce, that's a whole, isipin ninyo na linagay mo yung isang store mo online. So, di ba maraming functionality na magaganap na kailangan pag nakita nila tong product na to, maintindihan nila kung ano to, paano ba yan, ilan ba yung i-add ko. Those are the functionality na medyo mailalagay na natin sa category ng intermediate.